My mom taught me this yummy plain cake recipe. Join me in recreating the magic she shared. So let's get started. Let's send a big virtual hug to our dear friend, Anaya Habib from Sydney, Australia, who left such a lovely comment on our last video. Anaya, today's hug is for you and for all our viewers. Remember, leave your name and the city you're watching from, and you might be next in line for a warm virtual hug in our next video.
Why you touch it?
As we wrap up this baking adventure, I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this delicious plain cake, just like my mom taught me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy baking and sending lots of love from our kitchen to yours. Cheers!